What up, YouTube? It's your boy back at it. We building the PC this time. So what you want to do, you take these little thingies in here and you screw them in a spot that needs holes for the one thing. You got your first step. So we need a ting to screw in the screws because if you can't do it, you need a ting. Yeah.
Big ting.
The one thing looks like a potato. Apparently it's important. I didn't know that. So basically the first step to building a computer is don't know anything about what you're doing and just send it.
How do we type?
Well, we gotta get the one thing to tighten it.
Yo, what up, YouTube? Michael's getting the thing. I found this cat. Yo, chill, bro. Small cat.
Boom! Oh shit, small cat. Canned PC.
One deal. You put in the one spot and then you lock it down. And then after that, you take the one thingy that cools that thingy, you put it on top of that thingy, and then you tighten it down. Probably the first and main step to building this computer is knowing how to do it. And it appears we miscalculated that step.
Ah! Oh no.
Ooh, look at that.
It's got the freaking crap on it
Dude,
now.
it's got some. Whoa, that looks lit. So once the big thingy right there is locked on, then you gotta figure out where to put that at, and that
Which way
should
is
be
the
like
arrow?
right there. So you gotta figure out which side has the clipper deals and which side doesn't, and then once you do that, well then it works.
Huh?
Yeah, see,
Woo!
see it works.
Woo!
See it works. So now it's time to put the Gucci sticks in. Right?
Yeah. We need the freaking computer person here.
Wrong.
I built at least 4. This
Alright.
isn't that hard.
Yeah, the Gucci sticks
Got-
and the Gucci slots.
Yeah, that thing is on, and then underneath it, the main deal is on. By the way, I know what all these parts are called. I just like to be an idiot sometimes. Alright, so then you put the big deal in the deal. Like that. You see, now you don't have to like mess around inside the case whenever you're trying to do all that stuff because it's already done right here. And now you just put that in the case. So now it's time to stick the one deal in the one slot.
Can we like connect it first and then?
Dude, you definitely open a computer company.
Yeah, agreed. You bend these wires?
Dude.
Like that?
Yeah. So pro tip, whenever you buy one of the expensive power supplies, plug all this stuff in before you put it in there. Unless you got room.
What's next?
Alright guys, we're halfway done and that's how you build a computer. So basically you put the big spinny boy on the one deal, and then you screw it in there, and then you plug it into, you get the point. So when building your PC, it turns out you want to plan how you want your fans to be in there ahead of time before you screw everything in, because then you're the one getting screwed. We're almost done. We're only like 10 hours into this. It's going pretty quick. My pro tip when you're building your thingamajig, you want to make sure all your fans blow the right direction. Otherwise, that wouldn't be good, right? He wants to die, I guess. Hey, bud, that's the wrong way.
What?
You screwed the fan on the opposite. Well, I guess that was my fault. It appears this is my fault. The fan is supposed to be flipped this way. It only took us 40 years to get this one fan
Look
on.
that guy.
It's a kidder.
What up, dude? Holy heck.
The right way?
Serious?
Dude, I'm not kidding. How's that make you feel?
Wonderful. I love this thing. I'm so glad I spent all my money on it. Is this actually the wrong way? You're sure?
I'm not kidding. That is the wrong way. 100%. See, common sense. Alright, so everybody, watch this. A lot of people don't understand, but your fan spins this way, right? Therefore, the air goes this way. So that's basically how you do that. Spend all of your money
Fans are important.
on random stuff.
No on fans. Get RGB ones.
Max zoomed into your face right now.
Oh my gosh. It hurts my hand so bad.
It hurts my head. Alright, so we stuck the front panel back on the computer. Halfway legit tutorial. So basically, we stuck all the cables for these buttons through the bottom. So now we're doing the worst part of the computer, figuring out where those little tiny things go.
How many dislikes do you think this video is gonna get?
All of them.
Everybody make sure to dislike the video.
Four,
Share it
this
with
one
your friends.
goes
Get them
right
to
here.
dislike it too.
You don't actually know what I'm looking at or talking about. I know that's a fact because whenever I try to build a computer and look at videos, it never works. Dude, check this out. It's raining outside. Can't actually see anything because I said so, but you sure can hear it.
I don't think they can hear it.
Dude, this mic is so good, you don't even know. Check this out. I'm gonna stick it to the window. Wow, dude. This what even is this video?
Yo!
But what? That's so litty. Building computers, dude, you need the big gains. The Mac going. All right, let's check this out. Let's see. Apparently our entire state is going to shit at the moment. There's tornadoes everywhere. What's new? According to Ron Hurst, you take PP Highway to Gainesville. Yeah, seems legit. I hear just lost in the sauce, bro. That'll be it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you learned something. You probably didn't, because, well, I didn't teach anything, really. If you made it to the end.
And I don't wanna be somebody without your body close.